Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, and today I'm having a bit of trouble selling this computer right here. So a few months back I put up a bunch of gaming PCs for sale on my own personal website, including this one, and for some reason this was the only one that didn't sell, which is kind of weird. I put it up for $400. It has an i3-10100F, a GTX 960, 16 gigs of RAM, and all the other things you'd find, say, in a budget gaming PC, but it's still here. So I'm pretty sick of selling stuff on eBay because eBay has really high seller fees, and the same pretty much applies for Mercari, though it is a nicer looking site and maybe a little more kind of friendly to hardware and gaming PCs, but there's an even friendlier website for PC builders, and that is this website everyone has been talking about lately, Jawa.gg. So once again, I just want to put this straight up. This video is not being sponsored by them. I just legitimately think this is actually a genuinely good website to sell gaming PCs and components on. And that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. So I'm gonna put this up for sale on their website, show you what it's like, and yeah, that's basically gonna be it. Okay, so first thing I had to do before selling stuff on Jawa.gg was go ahead and set up an account. And this was nothing like what you do on eBay, where it has this like archaic old interface, and I don't know what it's like on Mercari. But here on Jawa, like, you can even connect your socials to your seller account. So I've gone ahead and linked my YouTube channel, my Instagram, even my Twitch. So I guess if you're a PC building channel that also live streams your builds, Jawa.gg can let you throw in your Twitch account onto your profile account, which is pretty cool. And if I had stuff up for sale, it looks like there's a filtering system where you can see what sort of items I would have for sale if I started posting anything. So the profile creation experience was really pleasant and nothing like eBay. eBay is just, it's outdated, it's old. So I'm gonna go ahead and click sell your gear. Ooh. I guess we had to go ahead and link up a Stripe account, I guess, to receive funds. I'm not gonna worry about that right now, but we need to go ahead and upload some images first. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now on my phone. Okay, so I went ahead and took some photos with my phone of this computer we're gonna be selling, just to show you don't need a super expensive camera to take nice looking photos of a computer you maybe wanna sell on this website. And just for comparison, I went ahead and looked up other computers in the price range I'm gonna be selling this one at. And this guy, he took some tremendous photos of an i3-3750K, oh my goodness, 3570K system. It's been a minute since I've had to pronounce that. And a GTX 670. That is the nicest looking photo I've seen so far from sub $400 systems, but you can take better photos than these. Come on, guys. Just some nice lighting, good framing, nice cable management, and you can maybe go a little bit of a distance. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and upload the photos I've taken so far. So category, this is going to be a custom PC. Product type or brand, custom, we don't have one. Listing name, ooh, you know, I'm gonna go all out. ScatterVolt custom $400 gaming PC. Do these people include the specs? They do include the specs in the title name. So i3-10100F plus GTX 960. What about the RAM? Oh, okay, you know what? This guy's selling nearly the same system we are, except he's using 8 gigs of RAM, a 1 terabyte hard drive. Oh, and like some old, he doesn't even list what i3 he's using. Okay, we're good, we're good. Private listing, nope, but that's interesting. I guess you can do private listings if you wanted. We'll do used like new. Oh, we use this for just for one video. Product description, okay, this is gonna be, this might take a little bit. What does this guy do? This is not a joke. This is an actual custom gaming PC made by ScatterVolt from a past video. I'll go ahead and link the video. That features the computer, just for legitimacy's. Nope, not that one. This one that has been repurposed into a $400 budget gaming PC. Now let's go ahead and list off the specs. You know, I can literally check my video because it has the specs. What do we have for our motherboard? We had, yeah, okay. Got it, an ASRock B560M HDV, 2x8 gigabyte, 3200 megahertz kit of RAM. Then we had a 500 gigabyte SK Hynix Gold SATA SSD. We have a, Aries Game 500 watt A+ bronze power supply all in. an Antec NX410, I believe. Let's double check that, in white. And this includes 3 RGB fans. Are they controllable? Let me double check. They are controllable. 3 controllable RGB fans. All right, anything else? Stock cooler, I'll put that as a note. Let's look at this guy's listing. Oh man, he's got bold as well. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, here we go, bold. Oh, this is similar to Discord. I'm gonna make this look nice real quick. Let me put the use. Used once for a PC build video of like new. It's just been sitting inside its case box for the last few months. Okay, anything else? Ooh, let's put the Windows 10 activated. Okay, ooh, we can put our product video URL. Okay, well, I might do that later. Price, okay, $3.99, let me think. Oh, okay, I wonder if they're gonna add a little discount. Transaction fees. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I was a really big fan of Jawa. The transaction fees, whenever you sell something, are really low. It almost concerns me. So right now there's a 3.5% transaction fee on any purchase or anything you sell on Jawa.gg, which means, because when I did the math, if you technically sell anything above $1,500, you won't expect to pay any more than 50 bucks in fees, which is a bit weird. So I wonder if like Jawa is working with really small margins to make profits. I hope not, because this is a great website. Oh, what's this? To turn on price drop, lower the price by at least 5% after the listing has been published for at least 24 hours. Okay, all right, that makes sense. I'm gonna use my own shipping label, shipping price. I'm gonna make it free shipping. Wait, let me see, what about these guys? Shipping 10 bucks? That ain't gonna be 10 bucks. You can estimate, you know, I'll make it free shipping. Why not? I'll put 0. Preview, what is this gonna look like? ScatterVolt custom $400 gaming PC, i3-100F plus 960. Oh, we need to put the VRAM amount. $399. Oh, this is really similar to, oh, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, used like new, basically only used it for one video. i3, yep, well that's gonna load in eventually, and there's the video I have a link to, and I'm gonna go ahead and post it. Publish now. If so, this item will immediately become available for purchase. If it sells, you must ship it within 3 business days. Okay, I'm ready, hit it. And it is live, very cool. Can I look it up right now? I just wanna see if it's actually up there. So custom PC, oh, is it? Recently added, oh, there we go. Okay, cool, so there's my computer right there, $400. Ah, look at that. And then I can, oh yeah. Yeah, that's it, okay. That was quick. And if we sort by max price at 400, ours should be at the very top, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So now with that listing live, I'm gonna go ahead and wait, see if it sells. If it does, I'll get back to you guys. Otherwise, I wanna give you guys a quick word from our sponsor. Aura, your one-stop shop for all things online protection. If you're looking for a built-in VPN, antivirus software, password manager, identity theft protection, and even an instant fraud alert system rolled into one application, then you might want to check out Aura. I personally have been using it for the last month across my devices, and I've been getting a steady stream of alerts and information for any purchases I've made on my account or even my business account, as well as keeping my devices safe when I'm using them on unknown Wi-Fi connections. So it's allowed me to have a lot of peace of mind knowing that all possible protection measures I could have on my digital platform are just being done on a single application, which for the moment can be activated with a free 2-week trial, but can cost as low as $12 a month if you decide to go forward with Aura. So it's a really cool way to keep everything and all of your digital assets protected just on a single platform. And if you want to take advantage of that, I'll have a link to it at the top of the description. Okay, so in no less than 12 hours later, this computer already sold to somebody through Jawa.gg. And the nicest thing that I liked about this whole listing and transaction process, other than how quickly it was to set up an account and how easy it was to actually get this listing up on Jawa's website, was how natural the conversation was between me and the person who was interested in buying this computer. So who eventually ended up buying this asked if this still used a 750 Ti, which The original build video it was featured in did use a 7050 Ti, but I switched it out to a 960, and we went ahead and verified that through our SMS. So that was pretty cool, and it's way better than the archaic Gmail-like messaging system that you find on, say, eBay. This is a little more in line with what you get from like Facebook Marketplace or Mercari. So that's pretty cool with Jawa.gg. So to wrap up the video, Jawa.gg definitely is the best place to buy and sell your gaming PC hardware and gaming peripherals and whatever else from, just because it's way more up to date than what's available through eBay. It's a lot more specialized and geared towards PC gaming hardware and all that sorts than, say, again, Mercari or Facebook Marketplace, which is meant to host everything. And the whole website, it just feels fresh. It's not like, again, eBay, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace, or even Craigslist that just feel kind of like all over the place. This has filters, selection tools, and all these categories just for PC and gaming related purposes. So yeah, I gotta say Jawa.gg is the best place for doing that sort of stuff. But with all that said, that is it for today's video, and I want to thank you again for watching. And if you've liked what you've seen so far, consider clicking the subscribe button. It just, like half a calorie is what it takes to just like click your mouse button or tap on your phone. Consider it. I'm not forcing you to. And again, once again, like this video if you haven't yet already, just to help me out so I can sell more budget gaming PCs on Jawa.gg and bundle in some other stuff as well. So once again, thank you for watching, and this is the ScatterVolt channel signing out.